Okay, friends. So let's continue with our symbol factory session. Okay. So as you know that I have taken the three symbols from the symbol factory. Okay. But what is the problem with the symbol factory? Okay. And what is the issue with the symbol factory object? See, I have taken the symbol factory object in my window. Okay. But when you double click on this, again symbol factory object is open. Okay, again the list of the symbol factory object is open. Okay, so how you can attach the tag to that objects? Okay, how you can attach the tag to that object? So that is the issue. Okay, so for that there is a solution. If you right click and if you go to the cell object, cell oblique symbol, and you need to break the cell. Okay, so after breaking the cell, if you double click on this object, there is a animation links, or there is a facility to attach the tag to that object is available. Okay, after breaking the cell. Okay, so this is the solution for the symbol factory, and this is the standard solution, and uh, by this way we can go ahead, okay, with the symbol factory objects, and we can assign the animation links to the symbol factory objects, okay, like this way. Now I have broken the cell for this object, okay, but I have not broken the cell for this object. So if I double click on this, again symbol factory objects are open. Okay, so if you right click, go to the cell oblique symbol and break the cell. Now you can assign the animation links to the tags of the object. Okay, that means you can assign the tag to the animation link of that object. Okay, so these are the you can say that the animation links. Okay, so discrete, analog, string. So the see, you can see that touch links, line color, fill color, text color, sliders, touch push button, object size, miscellaneous, value display, location, percent fill. So these all are the animation links, okay, which are available with the symbol factory object, right? So you can assign the tag to these animation links, okay, and our object will work uh, with this kind of animation links with the tag. Okay, now if I right click and if I break the cell, so you can see that, yeah, see, animation links are available, touch links are available for this object, line colors are available for this object, fill colors. So you can assign the tag to any of the animation links like line color, fill color. So according to the tag, color will be changed. So there is a touch links are available, user input. So according to the tag, its input will be different. Okay, you can input the some values, some discrete, real, or digital values to that tag. Okay, by this way you can assign the tag to the symbol factory object. So this is the standard function of the symbol factory, and this is just a basic idea of the symbol factory. Okay, we are going to discuss more about the symbol factory and its animation links in our next sessions. Okay, so that's it for this video, and hope all are getting what I am saying. Thank you very much.